So today, pag-aaralan natin ang unit digit. What is unit digit? So ang unit digit means, unity means 1. So, the unit digits in the digit in the ones column. Example. This is the definition of unit. So, let's say, magbibigay tayo ng example. 1, 4, 8. Sinabi dito na, ang unit digit is the digit in the ones column. So, pag sinabing ones column, na-remember nyo ba nung you are in elementary days na this is ones, tens, and hundreds. So, hahanapin mo ang ones column para makuha mo ang unit digit. So, sa number na 148, the 8th number is what we call unit digit. So, this one is tens and this one is hundreds. So, how to find a unit digit? By finding the ones column. So, let's say I give you another example. 2019. So, this is 1,000, the hundreds, tens, and ones. So, the unit digit is the 9. And when we say 320, the unit digit is 0.